Yes.
Right? Now,
This tastes so nice. Sorry, Naked.
You do know that.
I went to Kwai to get this smoothie. I specified that you guys are putting too much ice and it's not tasting so nice. So that lady, she did wonders. I'm now going to gym. I'm going to gym. After the gym, I'll have to go for Thursday special, January specials. I have to go to Apple Tree for the specials, and yeah, let's take it to gym now.
So I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines, They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my rider. All gas, no way they can never pay us. No way they could ever bring us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.
Okay, there's no packing. I saw this on TikTok. Heazelwood, Pretoria East. Pretty. I'm just here for ice cream. It's so pretty. They're still on construction. I'm waiting for the parking. Yeah, it looks as if it's a bit packed, but yeah, let's get in. Pretoria East. Why are you so packed like this? People have money. Oh, it's the 31st. It's so packed, guys. I'm still waiting for the parking. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've not been vlogging, I'm sorry. I've just been lazy in J, but consistency. I'm at Pantry. I'm at Pantry in Heazelwood, Pretoria East. They sell all good things. Pantry, that's all I can say. So let's get in and see. It's a new store, if I can say. But I love the ice cream. I'm just here for ice cream, but if not ice cream, because I'm seeing people having the smoothies and all that, I'll grab a smoothie and tell you how it goes. It's so lovely. All bakery things, nice. Yeah, I'm seeing lots of kids, and it's month end, so I'm quite sure they've been wanting to come here, but only today. So because it's month end, let's get in. It's so pretty outside. There's a bike there, lovely. I'm gonna show you just now. Let's go inside.
for you. Let me spend the time on you. Let me spend the time on you.
Keep it on it with you. Just women that wanna swap with you. But with everything we've been through, you've been too. You've been one-sided, you've been solid. Know I had to see it live before I got it. You really witness a nigga climb from the trenches. I know they wouldn't put you at a height, I do admit it. Like eyes when you said, so I feel it how you feel it right now. Been thinking about what it taking next. Wanna run it by you, send a text, I know it's late. Every time I shoot that shot, know I net it. I ain't stressing, I ain't worried about the pressure. It ain't nothing, I've been vetted. This testosterone in your section, know you ready. Need you to drop that pen, let me slide in my presence. Let me lock it in, I bet you never regret it. I can show you some things you ain't ever seen, so you won't forget it. Hey, no comparison. You anything but regular, it's evident. You my healing, you my medicine. You knew me before I knew me, you really been for me ever since. Never lost sight of where we trying to make it. I've been trying to get ahead of it before I go. Crazy all of the places that this life will take you. Lately I've been wanting to make it last forever though.
I need it from you. I want your company. I'd be more comfortable if you say what you want from me. If you say what you want from me. Know you need attention.
If I catch you guys, I think when I need ice cream and your seafood, I'm gonna come here. I don't know about the pizzas. I'm yet to taste the pizzas and your coffees, your smoothies. So today I tried their ice cream, guys. No lumps. It doesn't feel like, you know, I don't want to mention other brands, but it's so soft that doesn't even, you can't even feel those creepy eyes. It's so soft. So I had a vanilla with a topping of nuts. So nice. It was so divine. Nice venue, nice everything. I'm yet to taste the other things, but for today I'm good. Let's go cook. Today it's a Friday. My friend is coming. Yeah, my friend is coming. So she's gonna, you know, my friend is a chef, right? So she's gonna like help me a bit with prawns. Oh, okay. She wanted mussels, so I bought mussels here at Pantry. So she's gonna help me a bit. Yeah, I'm very excited.
I will get close to your heart.
Yeah, that's that. It's
if you want,
so I bought prawns and your mussels.
I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding. Whatever that is choking your chest.
I think I have to edit.
I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back.
I'm so happy. Happy Friday, everybody. Let's go.
Maybe you'll make up your mind. Now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me. If you want, open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind. Now I'm here by your side.
spend a time on you. Let me spend a time on you.
Keep it on it with you. It's women that wanna swap with you. But with everything we've been through, you've been too. You've been one-sided, you've been solid. Know I had to see it live before I got it. You really witness a nigga climb from the trenches. I know they wouldn't put you at a height, I do admit it. Like eyes when you said, so I feel it how you feel it right now. Been thinking about what it taking next. Wanna run it by you, send a text, I know it's late. Every time I shoot that shot, know I net it. I ain't stressing, I ain't worried about the pressure. It ain't nothing, I've been vetted. This testosterone in your section, know you ready. Need you to drop that pen, let me slide in my presence. Let me lock it in, I bet you never regret it. I can show you some things you ain't ever seen, so you won't forget it. Hey, no comparison. You anything but regular, it's evident. You my healing, you my medicine. You knew me before I knew me, you really been for me ever since. Never lost sight of where we trying to make it. I've been trying to get ahead of it before I go. Crazy all of the places that this life will take you. Lately I've been wanting to make it last forever though.